Hey everyone, I was just talking to a friend who is currently on leave of absence, and she asked me how she should tackle her emails that have been sitting in her inbox for almost 3 months. And I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to share what I told her. So if anyone is in the same boat, you can just follow along. The first thing I told her to do is to block her calendar on her first day back for a few hours. This will give her time to filter and organize her emails. I told her to go to the most recent email from her executive and to create a rule and a new folder and to select to move all the emails from her executive to the new folder. But if she wasn't comfortable with that, she could go ahead and create 2 folders in Outlook and filter her inbox and grab all the emails from her executive and drag them into one of those folders. Once she did that, I asked her to delete all the junk mail and spam mail. She then can move all the remaining emails from the first day that she was out on leave of absence to the second folder. But she had a question: what if there's urgent emails? I told her any urgent emails after 3 months most likely already been resolved. And if not, someone will reach out to her. So don't worry a whole lot about something like that. At this point, she should focus on the emails from her executive, starting with the most current and work her way down. I also let her know that once she left on leave, there probably wasn't a whole lot of emails directed to her, but more informational reading on her part. I hope this was helpful to anyone who's coming back to work after a leave of absence. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching everyone. Take care.